Gabriella Hernandez. I'm in 12th grade. I go to Greeley West High School. I have been in the Teacher Cadet program for a year and I'm completing my second year at the moment. I do believe teaching makes a difference. Math was never my favorite subject. I was never really good at it until my 8th grade year and my junior year in high school. My teachers were amazing. They not only taught me the material that we're supposed to learn, they taught me other life lessons as well. The first semester I was here, I loved being in the classroom here at the CTE Center because I liked learning all the materials. I never knew the ins and outs of being a teacher or anything about it. I would say it was until really my second semester last year where they clicked and I really wanted to become a teacher. The placement I had, I was really fortunate to be with a teacher that I knew, and her class was just amazing. They welcomed me with open arms. My placement teacher was very caring and thoughtful. She trusted me with the kids, and that made me feel at home. And I think that's the moment that I finally realized that, I would like to become a teacher. I want to go to UNC, the school down the road. I like to get my bachelor's in elementary education. As of now, I want to teach kindergarten. I love kinders. I've worked with them for about a semester, so half a year. I was with them 3 days a week for about 3 hours every day. I fell in love with them. I love them. I love seeing them grow. The milestones that they hit every single day was amazing. I just love seeing the kids' face when they realize something. I remember when I first signed up for the program, I had no interest in becoming a teacher or really committing to a 2-year program. I signed up on the last day the application was due, and it turned out in my favor because here I am now, and I graduating the course with 30 college credits and over 300 hours of experience in a classroom. I'm super excited for my future, which is something I never thought of even going to college 2 years ago when I was a sophomore. So I'd say if you're interested in a program like this, or even interested in the college credits, just go for it and do it because you never know when it will turn out in your favor.